Have you ever wondered how the grain size of rocks is determined? It's a fascinating process, dictated by the rate of cooling and the viscosity of the magma. The grain size is a crucial factor in determining a rock's texture, and it influences everything from its appearance to its physical properties. Take the glassy texture, for instance, also known as hyaline. This texture is massive and amorphous, with no visible crystals. It forms as a result of extremely rapid cooling at the surface, resulting in rocks like pitchstone and obsidian, which are usually black and exhibit a conchoidal fracture. Then there's the fine-grained or aphanitic texture, where the grain size is so small, less than 1 millimeter in diameter, that the minerals are not visible to the unaided eye. This texture is formed as a result of rapid cooling and can be seen in rocks like basalt. The medium-grained texture is a bit different. Here, the grain size ranges from 1 to 5 millimeters in diameter, and the grains can only be seen with the help of a hand lens. This texture forms in the hypabyssal environment and is commonly seen in intrusions like dikes, as in the case of a dolerite dike. The coarse-grained or phaneritic texture, on the other hand, has a grain size greater than 5 millimeters in diameter. The grains are visible to the naked eye, and this texture forms as a result of slow cooling in the plutonic environment. Examples of rocks with this texture include granite and peridotite. Lastly, there's the pegmatitic texture, which is very coarse or ultra-coarse grained, dominated by grains of 3 centimeters or more. This texture forms by very slow cooling of volatile rich melt at late-stage crystallization in the plutonic environment, as seen in pegmatite. But grain size is just one facet of rock textures. The shape of the grains, the degree of crystallinity, and the intergrowth of minerals all play a role in the final texture of a rock. From the well-developed crystal forms seen in euhedral textures, to the lack of crystal development in anhedral textures, to the intergrowth of minerals seen in graphic and ophidic textures, the world of rock textures is as diverse as it is fascinating. In summary, the size of the grains in a rock, the shape of these grains, the degree of crystallinity, and the intergrowth of minerals all contribute to the texture of a rock. Understanding these factors can give us valuable insight into the formation and characteristics of different types of rocks. It's a testament to the intricate and awe-inspiring complexity of our natural world.